morning. So this morning we're beginning our 2-week adventure. We are going to be heading up to South Dakota to the Black Hills, staying around Custer. We're going to be, once we get up there, we're going to actually be riding the Mickelson Trail, and I'll be doing some videos on that as well. So that's the George S. Mickelson Trail is going to be about 110 miles or so. So we're going to do that over a 2-day period. So we'll definitely be videoing that, and I'll be posting some more videos about our trip. But today I'm going to walk you through kind of our setup. We're actually taking our first day, and we're going to make it up to Oklahoma City, hopefully today. And then day 2 we'll be stopping off in Nebraska, and then day 3 will be at a shorter day that'll get us up to Custer. So this is my trailer behind me. Let me flip this around here, kind of walk you through some of my setup. So we've got the RV set up and kind of ready to go here. So got that attached to the truck. I'm going to walk you through, kind of show you some of the inside. We do have, it's a toy hauler, and I'll kind of show you what our setup looks like on the inside. This is what we use to carry our bikes and stuff in. So this is kind of our setup. So we got our bikes strapped in for the long haul. And then I did a few renovations in the trailer, and I'd already gotten started, so I didn't really take any video of the renovation, but I put some new cabinets in. So this area here actually had no cabinets before. It was just the fender well, and it was made more for the toy hauling experience, you know, if you were carrying ATVs or something like that. Since we don't really do that, we opted to go ahead and put some additional cabinets in here, just to give us some more storage space, more counter space. And then while I was on that project, I actually tore out the old kitchen sink and get here where I can show you what that looks like. So we put new cabinets in and new matching countertops on this side. And so we put a new sink in, new faucet, and then also took out the old stove and then put in a new range top. So have that there, and had a little challenge down below here, because the heater is located under the cabinet, and there really wasn't an easy way to get to it before. So I wanted to actually change that up a little bit. So on the cabinet, I actually cut the bottom out to where the heater could slide in, and then through the door I cut an opening and put the vent, so that way in the future, if I need to work on the heater, it just makes it a whole lot easier to get to. So then, you know, that vent comes out there, and yeah, everything's good. So yes, we are excited to get on the road here shortly, and making it up to South Dakota. So we're looking forward to the weather as well. Right now we're down in Texas, and it's about you know, it's hitting upwards of 90 degrees now. 100% humidity. When we get into South Dakota, right now the weather's looking like we're going to be in the mid 40s for the lows and right around 68 to 70 for the highs. So really looking forward to the weather. So stay tuned. We'll be taking more videos. We'll be posting more videos on our trip, and just kind of sharing our experience. So we're about 5 hours into our first leg of the trip, and this is our first stop, and of course we are at Buc-ee's. So filling up the truck, grabbing a few snacks, and getting ready to make our way up to Oklahoma City. All right, so we're at stop number 2 for the day. Where are we again? Buc-ee's. This time we're at Bucky's in Denton. This is going to be our last stop for the day. We got about 2.5 hours left to travel to get to Oklahoma City. Talk to you later. Okay, so we made it to our destination for the first night. We are here at the Roadrunner RV Park and Campground. This is located in Oklahoma City, right off of 35. We got here about 6:15, got checked in. We're just staying here for one night, so we are really not even setting up the trailer fully. We just disconnected, put the jacks down just so we can be a little stable, but left everything connected and hooked up. So that way we can get an early start tomorrow. We got about another 10-hour day roughly to get up to North Platte, Nebraska. That's going to be our second night stay. So that's what we got in store for tomorrow. So I'm gonna walk through the campground here just so you can kind of get an idea. If you're in this area and looking for a place, it's really nice. There's a lot here to do in Oklahoma City. So if you're staying here, you're only about 5 minutes from downtown. And for us, we really haven't got out and ventured out on anything because it's just late. We're tired. We're going to get some rest and get an early start. But maybe one day we'll get back and actually get to do a little exploring. Yeah, give me just a second and I'm going to show you all around the campground. So this is a pretty good sized campground. They got a lot of spaces, as you can see in the distance. There's a whole nother section over there that I hadn't even walked through. So yeah, it's a pretty big campground. So very nice, very quiet. Even though it's right off of the interstate, you really don't get a lot of that noise, and it's just really kind of peaceful and fairly quiet back here. But they do have a lot of RVers here, and this place is pretty much packed. But all of the, as you can see, they have pull-throughs, they have back-in. So pull-throughs are very nice, all concreted and level. All paved driveway. So overall, very nice. Makes it nice to be able to come in. Don't really have to level up too much, and you can undo the trailer and be ready to go. Okay, so I'll tell you a little bit about our trip today. So we got on the road about 8 o'clock, just a little bit after. Which I was really hoping to get on the road a lot sooner than that, but that just didn't work out. Still had a lot to prep this morning. Check a few things out on the trailer, verify tire pressure and all of that on the spare tires and the trailer tires, make sure all of that was good. But finally got on the road about 8 o'clock. Got in here a little after 6. So wasn't a bad day. Had no issues, thank the good Lord. Once we got into Oklahoma, it was really some pretty scenery. We came through some little mountainous areas. We came through a wind farm, saw the big windmills and stuff out there turning. So really some pretty areas that we came through. you know, we're here just resting for the night. We're really not setting up too much on the trailer. We just hooked up the water and electricity, put the jacks down just to give us a little stability, and that way we can get an early start tomorrow. I'm hoping we can make it into North Platte, Nebraska fairly early, and maybe give us a little more time just to, you know, check the place out and just see what's out there.